do. We got numbers. You know what numbers mean?
No.
It means we're live.
We're live?
Yeah. I'm talking to this gentleman. What's your name?
Gary Green.
Gary Green. He says, hey, I know you. And I was like, that's cool. And then Gary's like, what'd you say? Your friend was coming over or something? Or he's watching?
Dave Birchmeyer, he knows you from having all the Mustangs he used to have.
And what is he? He's got a Mach 1?
He had a 302 Boss.
302 Boss? 70?
302. Yeah. He sold that last year ago.
How much he sell for? Can I ask?
I don't know.
Oh, he probably sold. I know he got at least 50.
But he bought a good Chevelle.
He swapped out a Boss 302 for a Chevelle. We still love you.
For a driver. That was a trailer queen.
Okay,
now
that's
he's
good.
driving.
So you run the show?
I've been doing this now for about 20 years, yeah. I do all the registrations.
I made the mistake of coming at 1:30 after I went to church.
Oh, yeah.
I went to church and I'm pulling up and everybody's pulling away and I'm like, this whole video series is going to go up today.
Okay.
Without a Mustang.
Without a Mustang.
Without a Mustang. So you guys got to figure, forgive me.
They had a 65 fastback in there.
I know, but I missed it. You're killing me.
Nice looking one.
So tell them about next year so they can be prepared.
Next year, we always have it every March, the fourth Sunday of every March, here at the Salem County Fairgrounds. This was our 48th year.
48th year?
48th year.
Wow.
Yeah.
And what time does it start?
The vendors set up around 6 o'clock.
6 in the morning.
6 in the morning till 8, and then the spectators come anytime.
And it kind of wraps up around 1:30?
1:30, yeah, 2 o'clock, they start packing up, as you can see.
Yeah, as I'm walking in, I'm going, no, don't leave, I got to get video. But anyway, there it is.
This is the biggest one we've had so far in a long time because the weather was real nice. And we have it rain, sleet, snow, sunshine. We have it.
And I missed a beautiful day, but at least I'm a good church going boy, right?
A good church.
I got points.
I got
points. Yeah, that's a big guy. I got points with him. So come on out. If you're watching this now, it's because you Google searched car shows and New Jersey, and hopefully you're going to come out in 2020.
Yeah, 20. We have a website, sjraaca.com.
All right.
And you can get all the information you need for this swap meet.
Good. And there it is right below us in text, just because I'm trying to make it as easy as you can. But come on out. It's about the people, and of course the metal and the rubber is really cool too.
Yeah.
But
15,000 people went through here today.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh man, you just keep telling me what I missed. All right. So anyway, check it out, guys. And I promise, if I'm here in New Jersey next year, I'll be here much earlier. I guess I'm gonna have to blow off God.
Have a good summer. Have a good summer driving.
Yeah.
Cars.
Excellent. Thank you.